Today, we are heading deep into the heart of Liberia, to one of its most beautiful hidden gems, Kpatawee Waterfalls. But this isn't just a trip. We came here with a mission to shoot a music video. The sound of rushing water hits you before you even see it. Powerful, calming, and unreal. Kpatawee Waterfalls is one of Liberia's most famous natural attractions, known for its wild cascading flow and peaceful surroundings. This waterfall has been a popular getaway spot for decades, both for locals and visitors. Beyond its beauty, it represents Liberia's rich natural heritage, offering a space where culture, nature, and creativity come together. Over the years, it has become a favorite location for filmmakers, tourists, and now music video creators like us. You can now stay connected even out here, thanks to Starlink high-speed internet available at Kpatawee Waterfall, making it easier for tourists and creators to work, stream, and share their experiences in real time. If you have never been to Kpatawee, this is your sign. And if you enjoy this journey with us, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. More adventures coming soon.